How are you, sir?
How are you?
Good, sir.
Michael Lobo.
Yes, we are meeting the first time.
Yeah.
I'll call him. I'll call him. Sir, please have a seat, sir.
I'll call him.
Santan is coming. हाँ उधर मत जाओ नहीं इसके लिए उधर मत जाओ you stay there you stay that side you stay
Then, so that jail person, you have to inform the jail person or make some arrangement that particular panchayat secretary is there, sarpanch is there, talati is there. So many people are there. Whether this person is dead and gone, whether this person is staying, we are come moreover with one cylinder. Those imbalance. So when it is expected that this money is going to go in the account? It is 3 months.
So this 3 month bills we have already submitted in the Directorate of Accounts.
So what they are saying, Director of Accounts?
That we are pursuing with that.
I think you need to send your director. He just spoke to my office that I am unavailable and tell him that I have come specially over here, that he needs to go and sit like how I have come and to meet you, and I want to sit over here. See, he needs to go and sit with Directorate of Accounts. Director of Accounts is unnecessary clearing bills of unwanted things. Unwanted things is not first. No, this is most important thing, that our this person who is disabled, our person who is a widow or who is a senior citizen who is waiting for this money should receive the money first. Tell them that the Director of Accounts should know that all the other money can be kept pending. This money is first. Widow pension and also handicap pension and also
released at one time only.
yeah, no, but these are the people who are waiting for this money. Other people have already got money. See, all the businessmen who are doing road work, bridge work, electrical work or gutter work or contractors, they all have money. They are not hand to mouth. These people want money to eat food, to buy that medicine of their month. So they have to go to neighbor's house or some person's house and borrow money. My money is not come in the bank. When I get the money, I will come and return it back to you. They have to go and tell like this. This is what I have been told. So I have come to convey you this. मातशे तुम्ही हे गरीब लोकांचे पैसे धरी नाका.
yes no
आणि हांव मुख्यमंत्र्याक आयज लेटर बरयता. आयजूच बरयता की हे पैसे एज अ फायनान्स मिनिस्टर तूं बेगीन रिलीज कर. हे रिलीज करपाची गरज आहा, कित्याक हे जे लोक आहा, हे आमचे जे गरीब लोक आहा, हे आमचे विडोज आहा, हे आमचे हँडिकॅप जे भुरगे आहा, बायलां तशीच आमचे आणि सिनियर सिटीजन, तांकां पयशे पयलीं मेळपाक जाय आनी एवरी मंथ तुमी धाडूंक जाय. 2-2 म्हयन्यांनी धाडिनाका.
Every month bill धाडटा sir. Now 3 months.
ना डायरेक्टरेट ऑफ अकाउंट्स ही गोजाल वचून सांगची पडटली. हांवूय ताका लेटरूय बरयता आनी हांव ताका फोन मारूनय सांगता, जाय जाल्यार हांव ताच्या ऑफिसान वचून सांगता की तूं सगळीं बिलां पेंडींग कर, हेंची धरी नाका म्हणून. कित्याक हे लोक जे आहा हे गरीब लोक आनी हे पयशाकूच रावता. आणि स्पेशली रुरल गोवान जे आहा ते लोक कितें करतात, ते पसरकारा कडेन वचून बसता आनी बाबा म्हणटा आमकां पयशे येवंक ना, मातशे ते उदार दी. थोडे जाण दिता, थोडे जाण दिना. तांकां मातशे प्रॉब्लेम जाता. त्या खातीर हांवें म्हटलें आयज तुमचे कडेन वचून हे लेटरूय दिवया आनी तुमकां सांगया की हेंचे पयशे बेगींतल्या बेगीन धाड. 3 महिने म्हणजे खूब जाता. 90 days आणि आता हो 4थो महिनो चालू जालो. आणि आयज कितली तारीख झाली तुम्ही पळयला कितली झाली सो बाय द टाइम दे रिसीव द मनी इन द अकाउंट कितले दिसांनी कितले पयशांनी वयतले ते तूं सांग म्हाका म्हणजे कितले दिसांनी लागतले ते लोक रावल्या पयशांक त्या खातीर आमी हिंगा येयल्या
Sir, as soon as possible we are trying.
बट you send your director to the director of accounts.
We'll do.
I am
We'll
speaking
speak to him,
to
sir. Yeah, we'll speak.
I am
to him.
sending one note to CM today only,
Sure.
most urgent note, telling him to direct the director of accounts to stop issuing payments to any contractor. First pay these people. ह्या लोकांक पैसे पयलीं दी, ह्या आमच्या जाणट्यांक पैसे पयलीं दी, विधवा बायलांक पैसे पयलीं दी, आणि सिंगल वुमन जे कोण 50च्या वयर आसा तांकां पयलीं आणि हे हँडिकॅप लोकांक पैसे पयलीं द्या डिसेबल स्पेशल चिल्ड्रन.
There are instances where their surveys have not even attended the house. And they given a note that
आणि हे जेलाचे तुमकां कितें तरी करचेच पडटले बाप कित्याक सांगतले सारकें.
in association with Panchayat members are willing to do all the services.
Jalat service stop. Sir, we are examining.
Panchayat
Already we have
members are
started.
If you have
we
a
have
list-
started also.
Sir,
I will
if
give
have
you a
the
list.
Please,
Please
we
give
will
us
direct
list.
our field workers and field assistants.
Because
sir, our staff
म्हाका
is
दिसता
पंचायत
आमी
level also.
न्यू
Yes.
मेकॅनिझम करचे पडटले वेर तुमचे गव्हर्नमेंट सर्वंट जे आहात तुम्ही जर तर पंचायत मेंबराचे आयकना म्हणजे दे आर इलेक्टेड बॉडी
No, sir,
तुमकां
आमचे-
तुमचे
आमचो staff
ना ना
आसा.
तुमचो
पंचायत level आमचो
स्टाफ
staff
कॅन
आसा.
कॉर्डिनेट विथ द सेक्रेटरी सो हे जर तर कॉर्डिनेशन जाय जाल्यार तेंचे पयशे बंद जावचे ना हे लोकांचे 2-2, 3-3, 4-4 महिने पयशे बंद जातात कित्याक बिकॉज ऑफ दॅट सर्वे
ना हे पुढे जावचे ना.
Negative survey report.
त्यात पहिले
Now
आमचो
it
स्टाफ
not
नासलो पंचायत लेवलार.
हा.
Today
Now it
our
is.
staff is there at the
आमचे
पंचायत.
आमचे ग्राम सेवक
नाही,
आहा
नाही,
न्हू
आमचो
आरडीएचे
staff
स्टाफ आहा तुमचे
आमचो स्टाफ
हा,
आसा
हा,
सोशल
staff,
वेलफेअरचो
social
स्टाफ
welfare.
इज एट द पंचायत लेवल.
Sir, you can share us the list, whatever you
Share
have,
us the list.
and we will see to it that the field worker or field assistant of this directorate goes, does the survey, give us the report. Right? And that will be a genuine report, sir, don't worry.
बिकॉज सगळे खूप जणांचे पैसे बंद आहा तुझ्याकडे डेटा असतलो
50% स्टार्ट केले
Already.
Already.
Just after code, we have immediately started surveying, sir. So
Okay.
if you all have list, please give it to us. We'll see to it that they go and.
बट आता कितले बंद झाले असे
Exactly.
ना राफली कितले बंद झाले तुमका खबर असतली 3000 गोंयान बंद झाले
On the
Sir,
आता कितले
3000
दुसरे चालू झाले
90%.
No, sir,
More than
3000 में,
50%?
I will tell you
Yeah.
why 3000. Because we had served them notices through post also.
या
Those notices also came back returned to us.
हा
So when these came returned, we took a government approval and then we stopped it.
सो 3000 स्टॉप नाउ हाउ
Yes.
मेनी यू स्टार्टेड बैक How many
because उसमें
surveys?
तो, I'll tell you that. I don't have the
You're
exact.
and more than 50%.
Process
more than
is
50
going on, sir.
1500 you
Yeah.
started back
Yes, yes, yes.
so this is the problem
Yes,
जेलान
yes,
जेलान
yes.
प्रॉब्लेम केले
Hmm.
आमचे गरीब लोकांचे पैसे थिंगाच उरले तेंचेच कडे पावंक ना कित्याक जेलान सांगले दिस पर्सन नॉट अवेलेबल
Sir,
This
eligible and deserving cases will get their money.
ती आमची जी गरीब बायल आहा ती म्हणटा आपले ते 2,500 दी ते 3 महिन्याचे 7,500 आपल्या अकाउंटान घाल की आपण उधार घेतल्या आपले खंयचे तरी पसारकाराक पयशे दिवंक जाय फार्मासीचे पयशे दिवपाक जाय दोतोरा कडेन गेल्यार तिंगा उधार आहा
Hmm.
हे सगळे वस्तूंक जर तर आमी पळयत जाल्यार आमकां त्रास जातले ना
We will speak to the director also.
ते लोकांक त्रास जावंक जायना ते आमकां येवन पत्तून पत्तून मेवता आमदारांक मेवता रुलिंगाचे आमदारांक मेवता रुलिंगाचे आमदार हिंगा येवंक ना कित्याक ते रुलिंगान आहा ते सुशेगाद आहा
काय बोलायचं sir?
तुमकां फोन येता रुलिंगाचे फोन करता आमी डायरेक्ट म्हणले असोच मेवया कित्याक हे मातशें कठीण आहा म्हणजे त्रास जाल्या लोकांक म्हणून आमी येयला नाल्यार आमी येवचे ना
नाही, don't worry, sir. We will
तुमकां
see.
आमी बेश्टेच एक्यूज करिना आमी जाणा सरकारान पयशे हाडयल्ले आहा
We appreciate
हांव
it.
मुख्यमंत्र्याक सांगता की तू बेगीतल्या बेगीन लेटर कर आणि रिलीज कर
And we'll
he can
try
immediately phone call and release this amount.
and sir, we will try and play some mechanism also to
Yeah.
do it fast for everyone.
Thank you.